Alrighty, we are on our way to, I believe it's called Super Mossy Maple, over here in Thurston, Oregon, on a rented pivot Switchblade. This will be my third day on a mountain bike. We're gonna go see what Super Mossy Maple is made of. See you there. Well, no hander action right here. Got my special helmet on. Seems we've made it to the uphill. All the way up. Here we go. On this handy dandy bench here. I think we're about halfway up. Doing pretty good. Get a little bit of water because it's like 100 degrees. And I'll probably catch you on the downhill. Nice and breezy, nice and cool. Here we are, Super Maple. We have made it to the top, well, maybe the top of Super Maple. There's another trail that goes down this way. Not sure where that one goes. But we made it on this pivot Switchblade. Yeah. Let's see how this camera angle works on the GoPro. Get a little sip of water first. Oh, let's try it. Oh, so sad. Yeah. High side. Oh, high side again. Oh. Oh, forgot to vest my helmet. Pause. Alright. Note to self, button your helmet before you start. That was a bad idea. Alright, now for the fun part. Oh shit, this is sick! Oh look, some fences. Oh, big berm. Double. Oh, taste it. Oh, another double. Oh, another double. I'm not good enough to be hitting these doubles. Oh, that's like a little hip. That's cool. Yeah, this is sick. I can do this every day. Yeah. All right. Wow. I'm so out of shape. This is killer. Oh, this is fun. My fingers are getting sore from braking so much. Oh, look at these berms, dude. Definitely need a full suspension bike. The hardtails are quite a bit cheaper. Oh, look at it jump. Oh, I almost just ate it. Oh yeah. Dude, this is sick. Alright. Hands are sore. Alright, I'll take a break right here. Don't hear anybody coming down the trail. I'm assuming we're like 3/4 of the way down. That is incredibly fun. I like that trail a lot. Jumps and berms. All the good stuff. Take a nice roller, rest the way down. So we don't hurt ourselves. Maybe we'll get into it a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, vermage. Oh, taste it. Oh, another one. Whew. Dude, this is so sick. Oh. Yeah, buddy. That was so frickin' sweet. Alrighty. Ooh, legs are tired. That concludes my downhill for the day. I'm at the Carpenter's Bypass. Got myself a taste of, I thought it was super mossy maple, but it's just super maple. Same thing, who cares? See you next time. I'm gonna have to get myself a bike because this is a rental. Deuces.